Hello, in this video we're going to look at the assignment in Unit 1 Activity 2. And in this assignment you're going to have to show me that you can write a proper paragraph. And so the assignment is called Travel Destination Paragraph. And as you'll do with all of the assignments this semester, you'll complete the assignment that's listed below, and then you'll submit it to this Dropbox. And so you'll notice that the assignment has a couple of pictures here. You have a beach, you have the Eiffel Tower in Paris, and you have a Ferris wheel in a theme park. And so this assignment is going to ask you to write 8 to 10 sentences in a proper paragraph and explain your favorite travel destination. So if you like going to a beach, you can write about a particular beach. If you like a big city, to visit a big city like Paris or New York or Dubai, you can write about that. If you like theme parks, you can write about Cedar Point or Disney World. The idea is to choose one travel destination that you're interested in and write a paragraph about it. And to hopefully make it easier, I've provided you with steps to follow. So if you follow these 5 steps, you'll hopefully put together a proper paragraph. And so step number 1 says choose your favorite travel destination. It can be a specific location like a beach or a theme park or an entire city like Toronto or Dubai. Just make sure you know the location well, because the goal of the assignment will be to convince the reader that that location is worth visiting. So make sure you choose something that you can write a paragraph on off the top of your head. This is not meant to be a research assignment. It's just meant for you to choose a place that you enjoy. So step 2, you can take that location and brainstorm reasons why it's worth visiting. So if you choose Paris, France, and you've been to Paris, France and enjoyed it, start jotting down in a brainstorm or on a mind map the different reasons why you like that place. Include supporting details. So for instance, if you're going to talk about a location and one of your reasons for why it's worth visiting is that it has fun outdoor activities, well, make sure you give specific examples of those outdoor activities. Make sure you have both points and examples, okay, because you'll need both in your paragraph. The third step, you can start organizing your information. So you can use the paragraph outline from the content page, if you like, to start trying to put together your paragraph. So if we take a look, the paragraph outline looked like this. So you can take your main idea. So your main idea is to establish whatever the location is and why it's a great place to visit. Your supporting evidence, so you're going to jot down at least 3 points and hopefully some examples on why this particular place is worth visiting. And then you're, of course, going to have a concluding sentence that wraps up your paragraph and goes back to that main idea and summarizes why that place is worth visiting. So this is just a little sort of basic paragraph outline that kind of reminds you of the 3 different parts and gets you started on establishing a proper paragraph. So once you're done with the outline, you can start putting together the actual paragraph. And make sure you follow the proper paragraph structure. Make sure you have a topic sentence, 3 points supporting the main idea, 3 specific details or examples, 1 for each of the supporting points here. So, for example, if you establish Toronto as your favorite place to visit, and that's your main idea, well, you're going to have at least 3 supporting reasons and then examples to back up those reasons in your body paragraphs. Make sure you use transition words to link your points and examples. And then, of course, have your concluding sentence, which goes back and summarizes that topic sentence, but in different words. Your paragraph should have at least 8 sentences, so that would mean 1 topic sentence, 1 concluding sentence, and 6 sentences in the middle. So notice if you have 3 points and 3 examples, those are your 6 sentences right there. You want to check your spelling and grammar. What you can also do in step number 5 when you're revising and editing your paragraph is you can use a paragraph checklist here. And you can use this yourself, or you can ask someone you know to take a look at your paragraph and then look at this checklist. And so if we look at that checklist, we're going to be repeating ourselves here. We're just going over the different requirements. But you want to check to make sure you have a proper topic sentence. Check to make sure you have 3 reasons to support that main idea in the topic sentence. Check to make sure you have at least 3 details or examples in the body sentences. Check your concluding sentence. Check to make sure that the entire paragraph focuses on one topic and you don't go off topic. So if you're talking about Toronto, stick to Toronto. Don't start talking about a different location in the middle of your paragraph. You want to stick to one topic. Make sure the purpose and message of your paragraph is clear and easy to understand. Are the words you're using appropriate, clear, and well chosen? So while you're reviewing your paragraph, can you see any words that you can improve on? Do you have transition words connecting your points and examples? And then lastly, have you avoided any obvious grammar, punctuation, and spelling errors? So if you can say yes to all of these questions, then you know your paragraph is ready to submit. Okay? If you find that you're answering no to any of these questions, then you probably still have to work on the paragraph. What you can also do if you want is you can email me a copy of your paragraph and I'll take a look and give you feedback. Make sure you do that though before you submit the paragraph to the Dropbox. If you've already submitted it to the Dropbox, then I will consider that as a completed assignment and I'll grade that. But I'll always take a look at your assignment ahead of time through email if you'd like me to before you submit it. If you're okay with all of that, one last thing you can do is check the rubric. There is a rubric down here. If you click on it, you'll see how your assignment will be graded. So there will be a knowledge category, which will ask whether you've included strong points and specific details. There's a thinking category. Did you have a clear main idea and supporting details? Communication. Is your spelling, punctuation, and grammar correct? And then application. Is your paragraph structure correct? Do you have a topic sentence, body sentences, concluding sentence? So this is how I will be grading your assignment. Pretty much, I'm looking right here at these requirements. If you meet these requirements, then you're going to get a good grade on the assignment. If you're missing something in these requirements, then your grade will reflect that. Once you're happy with your paragraph, you just go back up to Dropbox and submit. And if you have any questions, please let me know.